How to save your video on Capcut. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to save your video on Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Once you get into the app, tap to add the video for editing from the saved projects. Then tap on the video you want to save. After that, make any final edits or adjustments to your video. You can change the video or add another video in here. Then tap on the Export or Save button from the top right corner. Now choose your export settings, including resolution and quality if you're doing it on PC. Then tap the Export button to start the process. Select where you want to save the video. Wait for the export to be completed. Access your saved video in the specified location. Otherwise, you can simply tap on the download icon and save your video. Then the video will be saved into your gallery automatically. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.